Do you know what Elliot's favorite place in the house is? It's where we cook and eat our favorite foods, the kitchen. Let's head into the kitchen with our Lingokids friends and learn all about cooking. What's the first thing we do before we eat or cook? That's right, we wash our hands. Now that your hands are all squeaky clean, let's take a look at some of the things we can find in the kitchen. Spoon, fork, knife, cup, pan, plate, stove, fridge, grill, pot, spatula, whisk, grater, measuring cup. Amazing, Lingo Kids! We hope you had fun learning about the kitchen and all the yummy food you can make.
And this is how we play.
Let's Playlearn! Subscribe! Get the Lingokids app!